Hello, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, March 3rd, 2011, and boom! Big day today. Markets just closed. Dow up 1.6%. The Dow up that much. Wow. We were up over 200 points there for a while. S&P up 1.7%. NASDAQ up 1.84%. And over 2% as the Russell's 2.22%. All those subscribers to the Stock Picks V newsletter, they are comprised of the biggest and baddest small cap funds that are out there, small cap companies that are out there, and we got some nice pops on that today. We have the banks showing some nice strength at 1.6% to the upside. VIX taking a nosedive of more than 10% down. Gold taking it on the chin, down 1.3%. Silver held its ground. We have the dollar down ever so slightly. Crude oil down 0.5%. And a lot of people are saying that it's because of the crude oil prices dropping is why we're getting such a bullish move in the markets right now. I think it's any excuse to buy these dips. I'll tell you, when you got the government pumping in all this money, this stimulus, stimulating the banks, financial sector, that really helps the bulls out a lot. Be careful being a bear in this market, gang. You got to maybe look to go bearish after June when the stimulus package ends, and if they do not come out with QE3. All right, so we have the trend TRIN below 0.6%, so that means there's a significant chance of a drop tomorrow. So I'm expecting out of the gates to have a bearish day. Not sure if it will stay that way, but I lightened up on all my long positions going into the close. We have the S&P daily here. Wow. Tell me. Boom. Just a big rally. I'm telling you, the last time we had a rally this big for the Dow was, back in December, I believe. We have, this is quite impressive. We come up, we smack our head at this 1332. Let me see if that was the high. 1332. It's right where my trend line is coming across, right there. 1332, and that was the high. And it's also this trend line that we have drawn coming up from the swing high, going back to the swing low, and it goes back to this swing low, back to this swing low. This goes all the way back to 2010. And we just follow that line straight up, resistance and resistance again, positive tick on the histogram, but the MACD and the signal line remain sub-zero on the MACD. We need to get up over that. And if I pull in the spiders, take a look at the spiders here, the volume was decent, was a massive amount of volume. Actually, it was less than yesterday's volume. So on a big move like that, if I was going to be convinced we were going to keep going up, I'd like to see a lot more volume flow in. We just didn't see that. Looking at the NASDAQ here, NASDAQ cleared this high, but the S&P has too. We're over the 20-day moving average. And, the question is how far along will this leg go? And that's anybody's guess. But like I said, with the trend, TRIN, I do see a bearish move happening, at least starting off the day tomorrow. At least there's roughly an 80% chance of that. And here's the Russells. Take a look at the Russells up over the 20-day moving average. That's that blue line right here. Here's the Dow. Dow up over the 20-day moving average, but we are smacking a trend line. If we go back in time, we have this trend line. Well, let me just scrunch this so you can really see it. See this? Support, support, support. And a lot of you are asking what platform I'm using. This is eSignal. If anybody wants to hook up with eSignal, shoot me an email at admin@groktrade.com, and I'll let you know who my rep is. They'll give you a month free. Pretty cool system. But anyway, so we have support and then resistance and resistance again. I'm expecting a drop here. That's it. You know, tell your colleagues, tell your trading buddies, tell those that you are associated with who also trade to get teamed up with us here at Grok Trade. We have over 4.5 hours of free online trading courses. Make sure you go through those and become an educated trader out there in the live markets. Till next time, we'll see you here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com.